Good morning and welcome to episode 23 of 24 in 24. Today I'm in Wales and I'm going to be doing the Sychryd Waterfall, which is a little hidden gem in Wales just by Diners Rock at the moment. There's a free car park here, so that's where I've parked, and got to find the path, which I think is at the bottom of the car park down there. This is the sign at the car park, so we're here. You can actually get onto the Elixir Trail from here by the looks of it, but we're going to this waterfall just here, Sychryd Falls. That was quite a steep climb to start with, but quite short, and there was a handrail, very slippy though, and then it levels off. I don't think it's much of a walk to the waterfall. Looking for a fork in the path where we've got to turn right. This is what we're looking out for. Fork in the path. See the arrows saying to go left, but I think that's for the Elixir Trail. We're going to go down here. I can see the falls already. I didn't realise there were steps down to it. Well, sort of. This looks dodgy. Yeah, that is absolutely stunning. Definitely worth a visit. Probably going to be like my shortest video ever. Some people might say that's a good thing. Well, actually I say that. There is some old silica mines, I think just over that bridge, so I'm going to go and check those out in a minute. When I got here there was a guy getting changed, he'd been for a swim. I'm not feeling quite that brave today. But yeah, what an awesome spot. I've just come back up from the waterfall, turned right as you're looking at it, and it looks like there is a bit of a scramble down to the lower falls, so I'm going to have a go at that, see what it's like down there. But before we do, I'm going to go in the other direction, cross the bridge and go and have a quick look at the mines that are up there. I say I'm going to cross the bridge, but I've actually just seen up here what looks like a tunnel entrance, so let's just go and have a quick look. It looks a bit dodgy, doesn't it? Okay, I can't see anything at all on my GoPro. Let's just try the phone camera. That's a bit better. God, that looks spooky as hell, doesn't it? Wow. idea how far back that goes. Oh shit. Yeah, I think that's far enough for me. That was spooky as hell. It was kind of like being in a horror movie with all that dust swirling around and all the... It's like being in Descent, you know that film when they're caving? Yeah, that was a bit freaky. Definitely didn't want to go too far in there. Just have a quick look over the bridge. Ah, do you know what? The other thing I wanted to do is I knew there was another cave here. And they've buried it over. Ah, that's a shame. Apparently this one goes 400 meters. Right. This could be a bad idea, but that's where I'm going to attempt to go down. Well, I made it. Apart from the first part where there was quite a long reach down to the next step, it wasn't too bad. Yeah, stunning down here as well. What I really want to do is get over this bit here to get a good view of the lower and the upper falls. Can I do that without getting completely drenched? I reckon. Oh, there we go. Wow. Yeah, that is stunning. Yeah, what a spot. Isn't that just amazing? Not a single other person down here as well. Definitely worth a visit. I say you can combine it with the Elixir Trail or the Falls Walk, but definitely worth visiting. And be awesome in the summer for a wild swim as well. Now, I just got to make it back up here. Not too bad actually. That was not too bad. What an awesome place. As that video was quite short, I'm going to just throw in a bonus waterfall while I'm in the area. This is probably the biggest reward for the shortest effort, because it's only about a 15-minute walk and the waterfall is amazing. I have been here before. I've done a full video on it, but I won't say what it is just yet. I'll leave it as a surprise. Okay, interesting. I did just hear someone in the car park saying that it is actually accessible, but there is a fallen tree which may need climbing over, so let's go and check it out. Honestly, I mean that was ridiculous, closing the path. There was a tree falling down, but it would take about, I don't know, 5 minutes with a chainsaw to clear that. Crazy. Well, considering the path is closed, there's a few other people ignoring the rules. But here we are, Sychryd Falls, otherwise known as Batman's Cave in the Dark Knight Rises film. awesome place, and you can walk behind the waterfall. Well, can't come to Sychryd Falls and not go under the falls. Just hoping I don't get completely drenched. It's not actually as fierce as I was expecting today. Actually, loads of room under here. What an awesome place, isn't it? So that's it for this video. That is my penultimate video in this 24 in 24 series, so hope you enjoyed that. I have got a full video on Sychryd Falls on my channel with some wild swimming spots as well, so if you want to check that out, if I can work out how to do it, I'll put a link in this video. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on episode 24. Can't believe it.